Understanding Jesus' promise, where two or three gather in his name. Welcome to our video journey today, where we explore the profound promise made by Jesus as recorded in Matthew 18:20. Here he assures his followers, "For where two or three gather in my name, there am I with them." This promise deeply resonates with Christians worldwide, emphasizing Jesus' omnipresence and his divine nature, transcending human limitations. Let's delve into the heart of this assurance and its significance for believers. To truly grasp the depth of Jesus' words, it is essential to understand the context they were spoken in. Matthew 18 is a chapter focused on humility, forgiveness, and community. Jesus mentions this promise in the context of church discipline, a process where believers work together to resolve conflicts and maintain communal harmony. The assurance that he is present wherever his followers gather in his name provides comfort and support during these challenging times. This promise highlights Jesus' unique position. It underscores his divine ability to transcend time and space, being spiritually present wherever and whenever his believers congregate, embodying an eternal support system for the faithful. The promise in Matthew 18:20 illuminates the theological concept of omnipresence. But what does omnipresence mean? It's a term describing God's ability to be present everywhere at once. Jesus' application of this concept serves as a powerful reminder of his divine nature. Unlike humans bound by physical and temporal constraints, Jesus' presence is limitless. This leads us to reflect on Jesus' dual nature, both fully divine and fully human. Through his human existence, Jesus empathizes with our struggles. Yet as God, he possesses the infinite capacity to dwell with believers everywhere. His omnipresence is not a symbol but a reality, affirming his involvement in the lives of his followers globally. This promise has historically offered comfort and reassurance to Christians across generations. The early church, faced with persecution and internal disputes, leaned heavily on this assurance of Jesus' presence. Despite their scattered gatherings, early Christians found unity and strength, knowing Jesus abided with them in their spiritual and physical spaces. The implications of this promise are monumental in shaping both personal and communal aspects of faith. On a personal level, believers find solace in knowing they are never alone. Jesus is ever present to guide and support. This belief encourages spiritual growth as individuals strive to live in the awareness of Christ's presence. In terms of communal practices, the promise promotes unity and cooperation among believers. Knowing that Jesus is present in their gatherings encourages mutual support and understanding, fostering stronger relationships and a sense of collective purpose. The promise that Jesus is present whenever even a small group gathers in his name emphasizes the importance of community within the Christian faith. It reinforces the idea that the size of the congregation doesn't dictate the presence of God. Whether in grand cathedrals or small home fellowships, the divine presence unites worshippers, offering spiritual unity and authenticity in their worship. Understanding and integrating Jesus' promise into daily life can transform one's spiritual practices. By consciously acknowledging his presence, believers can deepen their prayer life, engaging in more heartfelt and authentic conversations with God. In gatherings, this understanding encourages worshippers to approach communal activities such as Bible studies and prayer circles with renewed vigor and focus. It becomes less about the formality of such gatherings and more about the genuine connection and the communal experience of Christ's presence. Prayer becomes a powerful tool in acknowledging and inviting Jesus into one's life and gatherings. This promise encourages believers to reflect on the nature of their prayers, promoting sincerity and a genuine connection with Christ. Reflection on Jesus' promise can provide daily reassurance and strength, reminding believers of his unfailing presence and guiding force in their lives. This can lead to a more introspective approach where experiences are viewed through the lens of divine accompaniment. For believers, integrating the understanding of Jesus' omnipresence can lead to a transformative personal faith journey. Recognizing Christ's constant presence in every aspect of life fosters an environment where spiritual growth thrives. It enhances one's ability to face life's challenges with steadfast faith, knowing they are never solitary in their endeavors. Incorporating this awareness into communal gatherings enriches the experience remarkably. Whether during worship services, Bible study groups, or informal fellowship, the acknowledgement of Jesus' presence cultivates a spirit of cooperation and harmony among believers. This shared recognition strengthens community ties and encourages a more engaging and supportive environment. The beauty of Jesus' promise lies in its universal applicability. Across diverse cultures and varying contexts, Christian communities find solace and strength in the assurance of Christ's presence. This universality connects believers around the world, fostering a shared sense of spiritual unity and purpose. Throughout history, stories of communities experiencing profound changes due to this promise abound, from the underground churches in hostile environments to open-air gatherings in free nations. Each story reflects the transformative power of Jesus' presence, inspiring others to gather in his name. While profoundly comforting, this promise can also lead to misunderstandings about its nature and scope. Common misconceptions might suggest that there's a magic number required for Jesus to be present, which limits his omnipresence. It's crucial to clarify that Jesus' promise emphasizes his unrestricted ability to be present wherever and whenever believers gather in genuine, heartfelt worship. It is not contingent upon numbers, but on the sincerity and collective faith of those gathered. In conclusion, Jesus' promise in Matthew 18:20 offers immense encouragement and support to Christians worldwide. Whether in the context of personal spiritual practices or broader communal gatherings, his presence is a source of comfort and strength. Understanding this promise and its implications can significantly enhance one's spiritual journey, promoting a deeper relationship with Christ and with fellow believers. We invite you to reflect on these insights and incorporate them into your spiritual walk. Consider how this understanding might transform your personal experiences and community engagements, and share your reflections with others. Encourage discussions within your community, exploring how the assurance of Jesus' presence can unite and inspire more intentional, faith-driven interactions. Thank you for joining us on this exploring journey of faith and understanding. We hope this video has offered you fresh insights into Jesus' enduring promise. Stay connected for more enriching content, and be sure to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Throughout the video, we'll display key Bible verses on screen for reference, accompanied by calming music that fosters an inviting and contemplative atmosphere. This combination is designed to enhance your viewing experience, allowing for a deeper connection with the content. We welcome your thoughts and questions regarding today's topic. Feel free to comment below and share your personal stories of experiencing Jesus' presence in your life. Your engagement is invaluable, helping to create a vibrant community of shared learning and support. For those interested in delving deeper, we recommend books such as Experiencing the Presence of God and online articles available on theological websites. These resources provide further exploration of the concepts discussed today, offering a more comprehensive understanding of Christ's promise of presence. As we conclude, remember that this journey does not end here. Continue to seek Jesus' presence in all gatherings, confident in his promise to be with you always, guiding your steps and strengthening your faith.